Odd Job is the ultimate layout, measurement, marking, and gauging tool, a multifunction marvel first produced by the Stanley Works in 1888. Today, it's still highly sought after by woodworkers. Woodpecker's Odd Job and larger Odd Job XL preserve all the 15 original tool functions, but improve upon important aspects of the original tool, like the precision machine's solid aluminum body, stainless steel ruler, and scribe tool. It's like having a drawer full of tools in the palm of your hand. The Odd Job is a distant cousin to the modern combination square, and is an odd duck indeed. You might say it's the duck-billed, beaver-tailed platypus of tools. But what a cool tool it is. It's fascinating to look at, but even more fun to play with, discovering its many varied uses. Odd Job, even the name is cool. With Odd Job in your apron pocket, here's what you have in your arsenal. Tri-square, miter square, right and left-handed, T-square, marking gauge, mortise gauge, depth gauge, plumb level, spirit level, miter level, beam compass, inside corner square, scribe tool, stainless steel ruler, hardened stainless steel scratch-awl, plumb bob, and paperweight. Just kidding. To have all these functions using dedicated purpose tools, you'd have to tote a toolbox around your shop. Woodpecker's Odd Job tools are made from the highest quality materials. The body is precision machined from a solid block of aircraft-grade aluminum. The rulers and knurled head screws are stainless steel. The combination scribe and scratch-awl are made from special C440 hardened stainless steel. And the rulers are laser engraved in 1/32 of an inch increments. Woodpeckers has vastly improved the Odd Job beam compass feature by adding 2 special-sized sleeves that lock into the ruler blade and hold either the provided 9mm mechanical pencil or the scribe tool in perfect position. What's the difference between the two Woodpecker's Odd Job tools? The Odd Job body is 4 inches tall by 2 3/8 inches wide by 3/4 of an inch thick. It comes with a 6-inch ruler with an optional 8-inch ruler. The Odd Job XL is substantially larger at 6 inches tall by 3 5/8 inches wide by 1 1/4 of an inch thick. The XL comes with a 12-inch ruler with an optional 8-inch ruler available. Every Odd Job and Odd Job XL comes with a Woodpecker's mechanical pencil plus extra leads and erasers in a plastic case with custom-cut foam. When you order the Odd Job Deluxe set, you not only get both size tools, but the optional length rulers as well. And the set includes a protective plastic case with custom-cut foam interior. You can also order the Deluxe set in a sustainer case for an additional charge. Get your Odd Job and Odd Job XL, the ultimate 15-function layout, measurement, marking, and gauging tools. Don't be the odd man out. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools, the Odd Job and Odd Job XL are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment, operated by highly skilled machinists in the company's shop, located near Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.